All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and cryptocurrency from around the world, talking about things like Dogecoin and Ethereum and Bitcoin mining. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, Dallas Mavericks, MarK Cuban buying the Dogecoin at the Dallas Mavericks. It's going to be a pretty interesting what's going on today. If you can go ahead and hit the like button to like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming events. That's right, folks. We treated you today with our Cleveland Browns brand new shirt that we're wearing. So it kind of goes with the Bitcoin over here. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. One of the things I want to talk about MarK Cuban is, he's been following cryptocurrency for years. He's one of the biggest names when it comes to cryptocurrency right now. You hear him talking about things. The Dallas Mavericks has been accepting. MarK Cuban has been a tech fan forever, so he likes techs. He loves the NFTs. He loves smart contracts. So there's a lot of things that MarK Cuban and the Dallas Mavericks are into. Dogecoin, we're going to go over some statistics of the percentages of sales in Dogecoin merchandise and what's being sold in Doge. So again, this cryptocurrency thing is just going bonkers everywhere because it's like this and that. Everybody's accepting it. So with that, let's go ahead and find out how it works. Right here in Yahoo, it says supply and demand is undefeated. MarK Cuban celebrates Dallas Mavericks Dogecoin merch sales. So let's take a look at this. NBA owner and entrepreneur MarK Cuban has been outspoken, supported cryptocurrency and NFTs. Cuban shares thoughts on the week's runs in the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, as well as some related sales figures for the Dallas Mavericks. This is what I'm talking about. It's absolutely awesome. What happened? In March, Dallas Mavericks began selling Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, as a form of payment. So here we go. We got an NBA stadium that is now accepting Dogecoin. Cuban tweeted that the Mavericks sales in Dogecoin are up over 550% in the past month. So if you're in business, if you're an investor, if you're thinking about things, they're up 550% right here. Over 550% in the past month. The team has sold more than $122,000 in merchandise of Dogecoin since accepting the cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Let's look at some of MarK Cuban's tweets. To a kind of quote of a movie, Doge keeps going up, but our prices at the Dallas Mavericks shop stay the same. We just set the 24-hour record for merch sales in Dogecoin. Doge put that Doge to work, he says. FYI, the Mavericks sales in Dogecoin have increased 550% over the past month. Dogecoin sales up 550%? That's not 2% or 3% or 10%. You heard it right, everybody. 550% in the last 30 days. And then it says we will never sell one single Doge. We will never sell one single Doge ever. We keep buying Dallas Mavericks merchandise. So things are just going great. I do know that the supply and demand is undefeated. So it will find the level Cuban told to rise of the Dogecoin. The Dallas Maverick hit a 24-hour record for merchandise sales in Dogecoin. Cuban shared on Twitter, Doge keeps going up, but our prices at the Dallas Mavericks shop stays the same. Why is this important? Cuban has supported Dogecoin while acknowledging that the cryptocurrency was a joke. Well, if it had to choose between buying a lottery ticket or buying the Dogecoin, he said he would buy the Dogecoin. So he wouldn't take the gamble with the lottery ticket, but he would definitely do the Dogecoin. Cuban said he didn't want to be asked about choosing Dogecoin over anything else. The NBA owner also bought a few dollars worth of Dogecoin for his 11-year-old son in February. With that, let's go ahead and head over to the top 10. With the top 10 here, so it's going to appear that the market's down a little bit, but let's not forget that the cryptocurrency market is just going bonkers the last couple days. So again, remember how the market kind of goes like this? So at number one position, we got Bitcoin at 44,686. It's actually down about 2.37% in the last 7 days. Over here, we have Ethereum is slightly under 3,000 at 29.85. It's actually slightly 6% down in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at $392. It's actually up 3.2% in the last 7 days. Cardano has actually moved to number 5. It's still got a nice 10% increase in the last week. So ADA, Cardano, it's actually still up to 10% in the last 7 days. XRP's got a real nice return of 22% in the last week. So if you're into XRP, or if XRP happens to be one of the cryptocurrencies that you got an eye on, in the last 7 days, it's going up, 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 22%. It is down 9% in the last 24 hours. The Dogecoin is at number 7. It's up over 10% in the last 7 days. It is down a little bit, 11% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot moved back into number 9 at 10% in the last 7 days. SOL is still up 50% in the last week at $62.55. So SOL up 51%, and the Uniswap is at number 11. Today's cryptocurrency is at 1.89 trillion. It's down about 3.45%. So one of the reasons we do the top 10 is we just want to keep throwing these names at you: Polkadot, Uniswap, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, all these different coins. So as you're actually putting your own different things together and what you're watching, you can actually pay attention here. Right here, we're on CoinMarketCap. This is where we get our information on cryptocurrency. Let's not forget, our information we do share is educational purposes only. So we do share for educational purposes to make sure you're all entertained. With that, let's go ahead over to Robinhood for a second. So over here at Robinhood, looking at Bitcoin, it's at 44,688. We can go ahead and click right here at the top, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down to, let's take a look. This is one that's actually doing real well. Bitcoin Cash. Take a look in the last month. Last month it was at $443. What's it right now? $627. That's amazing. And just in the last month, again, $442. July 23rd. Right now, Bitcoin Cash is at $627. So Bitcoin Cash is actually going up just like Bitcoin itself. Let's go ahead and go over to Ethereum. So Ethereum over here is actually $29.93. But if we take a look at what it was doing a month ago was at $2,100. So we got some seriously, 40%? We got huge gains on Ethereum in the last 30 days. Remember how we talked about buckling up? Get ready for the wild ride, because with cryptocurrency, it could go up, it could go sideways, it could go around and about. You just got to be ready for the wild ride, everybody. With that, let's go ahead and talk about a Doge cruise. This one we're going to do real quick. We've been doing this for the last couple days, but it's to the moon cruise. You actually have to pay for this cruise in Dogecoin. It's absolutely going to be a blast. It goes out of basically Miami, Florida. It goes to Key West. It goes, there's a day at sea, and it goes to the Bahamas. Now, I just wanted to show you this right over here. Take a look over here where it says to book it. To book it, you click it, and it says right here, please note, the only way to secure a cabin is with Dogecoin. So, MarK Cuban and the Dallas Mavericks are accepting Dogecoin. You can go on cruises for the Doge, and you have to pay for it in Doge. The Doge is going to the moon. It's up, up, up. And going back over here at Yahoo real quick to talk about MarK Cuban. So again, Cuban has supported Dogecoin while acknowledging that his cryptocurrency was a joke. We were talking about that. So, again, when MarK Cuban is in the news and he's talking about the Dogecoin, there's just a lot of things that are going on and stuff like that. So with that, Litecoin is definitely a coin that we definitely like. We like the Dogecoin over here, cryptocurrency. Again, they talk about how the Doge is going to go to $1. I don't know if it's going to go to $1. I don't know if it's going to go to $5, but what I do know is it's going up, up, up. And when you go to Robinhood or you go to Binance and you can watch it, it's definitely a coin that you want to pay attention to. Also, Ethereum is definitely on the up, up. Bitcoin, those three coins, we definitely hear a lot about it on the channel. So, pay attention to that. Don't forget to like our like button right here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. With that, don't forget to like right here our most recent video. And Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a wonderful